Hi guys, just Fizzy here again. Welcome to the second series in this AutoCAD Beginners Pro Learning channel. In this series, we'll be looking at drawing management in AutoCAD. This consists of 1. Opening AutoCAD drawing, 2. Using the mouse in an AutoCAD environment, 3. How to pan and zoom in AutoCAD, 4. Using AutoCAD's multiple document environment, 5. Learning how to save an AutoCAD drawing, 6. AutoCAD template, 7. How to print AutoCAD file, and finally 8. Layouts in AutoCAD. So without much further ado, let's get started for it.
As you start using AutoCAD, chances are the drawing you'll be working with most the ones created by someone else. For this lesson, we will see different ways we can open and access existing AutoCAD drawings. On my screen, I have already launched my AutoCAD, and I'm sitting in a default Drawing 1 file. To open a new drawing, first I'll open the application menu, then I'll come down and click Open. Now this action pops up the Select File dialog box, from where I can navigate my hard drive and locate the file I would like to open. But the drawing that I am interested in is located in the B2Pro exercise file folder, and this I placed on my desktop. So I'll go to the left margin and click this desktop under the Look In section. Next, I'll open the B2Pro exercise file folder, then I'll open the Drawing Management folder. Among the list of files, if you look closely, you'll notice an icon next to the file names. This icon is telling us the file is a DWG file. Now DWG is the default file extension for all AutoCAD drawings. Tag along as I open the host BIP drawing. If I select it, I'll get a preview of the file. Now I can either double click on it to open, or I'll come down here and click Open to open the drawing in the interface. As you can see, opening a file in AutoCAD is just as you would open any other file in normal window-based application. Alright, let's try it out again. Just this time, we'll look at some additional options. So click the Close button here to close this. No need to save changes. Now this time, we'll use the Open shortcut on the Quick Access toolbar. Click on it. Did you notice that the last directory that we accessed was remembered by AutoCAD? Better still, we can actually make this B2Pro exercise file folder a shortcut. Same applies to any folder you are going to be jumping in and out of frequently. To do that, simply click, hold, drag and drop the folder in this margin under the Look In section. As you have done this, you can now access the folder by clicking this icon, and whenever you feel that the shortcut is no more necessary, just right click on it and choose Remove. Okay, now let's open the Merge Path drawing. I'll just double click on it to open it. Once again, I'll close this file and won't save changes. Now I'd like to talk about one more shortcut we have available for accessing our AutoCAD drawings. Go to the application menu. Note that the Recent Document button provides a listing of the previous drawing that have been accessed. Hover over a drawing and AutoCAD will show you a nice preview. If I wait a bit longer, you can get some additional information about that file. This push pin here, if I click on it, will prevent the file from cycling down off the list as additional files are open. So if you have a drawing that you are in and out of frequently, it's not a bad idea to pin it to this list. Or I guess I will just remove the push pin and reopen the hostbib file by clicking on the file name. As you move on with your AutoCAD career, you will be working with files that were provided by others, so take advantage of the recent document list and the favorite places list to instantly access the file you regularly use.